So in this question here, we've got x is distributed normally 15 by 25. That means mu is 15, that's our mean is 15, and our variance is 25. So let's just write here, mu equals 15, sigma squared equals 25. Sigma squared is 25, then sigma is 5. That's our standard deviation. Now we want to find the probability x is less than some value k equals 0.8. So what we want to know is the area underneath this curve, there'll be 0.8 of it, or 80% of it covered from this point, from this left hand side point, and on the right hand side there'll be a point somewhere along here called k, and then what's the point that we want to find. So let's make an educated guess. Now we know by the empirical rule that mu plus sigma, that's 50% plus one standard deviation across is about 34%. So that would be 84%. So somewhere here is 84%. So we know k is going to be somewhere in between there. So it's probably around about there. So if we mark here with mu 15, this would be 20, this would be 25, this would be 10, 5, 0, and so on. So what we need to do now is type this into our calculator. So we want the inverse normal CD function. So we just need to check we've got data on variable. Tail, we want the left tail, not the right tail. Area we need to set to 0.8. Then the standard deviation we need to set to 5. And then we set the mean, which is 15. Then press execute. Then that comes out at 19.2081 and so on. That looks like a fair result because it's going to be somewhere in between 15 and 20 and much closer to 20 by using this empirical rule. So in this case, probability x is less than 19.2 equals 0.8. And that completes that question. Okay.